I ducked for the second one, and that's on video. These are beauties. Two Pantsir-S Pion 203mm self-propelled heavy guns working on Russian positions. And as we reported earlier, there is a massive surrendering of Russian soldiers in Ukraine these days. The reason is unknown. Maybe the Russians are giving themselves up before the Ukrainian counteroffensive. In the first video, the Russian says that he ate the last time yesterday. On the third video, a Russian from Saratov. He says that he arrived in Ukraine on March 21st. He was the commander of the military department. In Ukraine, he was appointed as a gunner operator, a driver mechanic.
Питомець. Що ж, обв'язали трохи руки чи ні? Чувак, откуда ти приїхав?
Саратов.
Саратов? А де ти служив, яка група, там, взвод? Війська? Да, які війська?
Мотострелковые в Калининграде. Базировались.
Are Abrams tanks already in Ukraine? $2 million tank vs $50 grenade? The grenade wins every time when your adversary is too dumb to close the hatches. Clown army. Ukrainian intelligence already knows who beheaded a captured Ukrainian soldier and where the incident took place. This was reported by the Ombudsman Dmitry Lubinets after meeting with the intelligence officers.
Вчора було спілкування з нашими розвідувальними органами, і за їхніми припущеннями вони приблизно знають, хто це зробив, в якій місцевості і хто безпосередньо в цьому приймав участь, в тому числі хто безпосередньо був виконавцем.
Про ПВК «Вагнер» згадувалось, можливо, в цих розмовах? Це вони?
Скажімо так, це вже деталі, які публічно я не можу розповсюджувати, але можу сказати, що, на мій погляд, максимально ефективно наша розвідка спрацювала.
A Ukrainian FV-103 Spartan and MT-LB APCs were destroyed by Russian forces in Bakhmut. All crew members survived. The FV-103 was privately purchased by volunteers and handed over to Ukrainian troops. This is the first FV-103 confirmed to be destroyed. British AS-90 self-propelled artillery in Ukraine. Meet the formidable AS 9155mm self-propelled gun that the British Army has been delivering training on to Ukrainian tank crews. The program is part of the UK's enduring commitment to support Ukraine in its fight against Russia. Daily routine of the 1st Mechanized Battalion, 3rd Assault Brigade in Bakhmut.
Вот такие прилеты бывают. Вот там все дома сгоревшие. Вчера, говорят, с Бахмута эвакуировали еще 4 гражданских. О, прилеты. Тоже пиздец. Да.
Бахмут, исход.
Есть.
Сука, пацаны, снайпер хуярит по мне. Да.
Прямо на молоде флаг впереди. Дом залезла 6 пидоров.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.